Alright y'all, so just jumping right into it, I'm just showing you real quick that I have already applied the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to my hair as my leave-in. And we're just going to hop right into it. I just want to show you guys this technique that I tried for the first time today. Majority of my hair is already done. I just basically got to a point where I realized that my curls are turning out amazing, like absolutely amazing using this technique. And I just wanted to record a video in hopes that I could possibly show someone else, you know, the same technique. And it's basically a combination of what JeanetteJBeauty does with her Denman brush and also what one of the GlamTwinz does. You just want to start out with a section of hair. My hair gets super tangled, so I go over the section of hair with my tangle teaser first just to make sure I get it thoroughly detangled so that I don't catch any snags. Once I feel like the section is detangled pretty well, I go ahead and subsection that into an even smaller section and I apply my gel. The products aren't the focal point, but if anyone's interested in knowing what gel I'm using, it is the ECOSTYLE crystal gel. It's just the regular clear one in the clear jar with the clear lid. So yeah, and I'm just working that throughout the section. You'll also notice that I am wearing gloves. I have noticed that ever since I started doing my wash and goes with my gloves, I swear it just, like, you know, really helps combat the frizz and just makes my curls even that much more smoother. So I'm picking up my Denman brush and I'm being super gentle with my hair just because it does have gel on it at this point and I don't want it to rip my hair out. And I am brushing it through a few times. And once I feel like I've brushed that through enough, I'm going to basically take the end of the Denman brush, wrap the hair around, and smooth it on through. And you can see the curl, the beautiful curl that forms at the end of it. After I've done that, I am pulling that one curl apart even more and shingling it. And I'm kind of doing like a little coil around my finger. And, you know, just to really make sure that I enhance that curl good enough, just to really give me, you know, that extra oomph at the ends, basically. So yeah, just working that on through, still through this section. And yeah, like I said, this is a combination of a YouTuber. Her name is JeanetteJBeauty, and also the GlamTwinz. I know plenty of you have probably already seen them. But yeah, like I am literally trying it for the first time today and oh my gosh, like my curls look absolutely amazing. You're gonna notice that there is some white residue on my hair that will dry clear. It kind of like chunks up a little bit. I think it's just because I was really heavy-handed, you know, with that curl enhancing smoothie. But yeah, just taking a good look at my curls, you can see that they just look so good. I'm really showing that problem area back there. The back of my hair is just like the absolute worst when it comes to getting definition and moisture, but I really feel like this technique has just helped to lock everything in and, you know, make those curls look really good. So yeah, starting over, I'll just let you guys see it again. And I'm just spraying the section with a little bit of water. I'm not soaking my hair, but I'm making sure that it's pretty damp. And yeah, I'm going over that area with my tangle teaser. Again, my hair gets so tangled. I have no idea why, but just using that tangle teaser just really helps to make sure that I get all those knots and, you know, all that stuff out. And yeah, just grabbing a little bit more gel here and just going over that section and smoothing it in. And once I feel like I have smoothed that gel in good enough, I'm just going to pick up that Denman brush and I'm going to go through the section a couple of times. And once I feel like that Denman brush, you know, is gliding through my hair smooth enough, then you'll see where I basically do like a turning motion with my wrist. You'll see it here. So I'm just going to brush through. And once I feel like I've got it in good enough, apparently I wanted to brush it through several times, but yeah, just doing that little turning motion almost like a flat iron and just gliding it through, and you see the curl that it creates at the end. And then that one big curl, I'm gonna pull it apart into several curls, which this is actually the shingling method. I'm just doing an extra little twirling motion with my index finger. And I mean, yeah, the curls just really, my hair is really straight and weighed down right now, but you'll see it like once the curls really start to shrink up a bit and become more defined. So yeah, I'll just let you guys keep watching, and I'll come back on if I feel like I, missed anything or need to say anything else. Okay, so this area of my hair right here is actually a little bit more relaxed. I tried to like take the end of my hair and kind of like twirl the curl a little bit, and you can kind of see that these curls up here just aren't quite behaving the way that the other curls did. It's not heat damage or anything like that. It's just the front of my hair, the top of my hair is, just a different curl pattern. So I really had to, kind of work to get those curls to, act like I wanted them to. And you'll see I basically just kind of give up with the Denman brush, and I just go ahead and start shingling that section. But I'm really, really twirling these curls up here to get them to, to really help enforce the curls so that they'll curl up like the rest of my hair is doing. All right, so we finally finished. This has got to be the best part of my hair routine. Oh, what is that? I don't know. We'll just wipe it away. But anyway, this is the hard part. This is where you don't touch your curls, don't mess with them, don't, throw them all over the place. Because if you're like me and you don't like a lot of frizz, then yeah, you'll want to keep your hands out of your hair. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. I'm going to show you a couple more close-ups of my curls. But yeah, check out JeanetteJBeauty, sorry. And of course, I know you guys have heard of the GlamTwinz. This is where I got this technique from, and I really hope you guys give it a try. Okay, guys, so just real quick, I just wanted to come on here just to say hello and good morning. I didn't want to leave the video weird like how I left it yesterday. There was actually someone in my room while I was recording, and so that's why at the end of the video I just kind of did a little bye, you know, because they didn't know that I was recording on my phone, and I didn't want to do like an obvious, you know, like bye, because then they would have been like asking questions like, what are you doing? And so anyway, I just wanted to come on here the next morning just so that y'all would be able to see how my hair turned out. My hair is actually still not dry. That's kind of why I have this like weird part going on down the middle. I do not normally wear a middle part. I usually always like to wear a side part or a deep side part, just because I prefer the way that it frames my face. However, usually if I had to do my hair the day before and I take it down, then I don't know, my hair takes like 50 million, 1100 million, 1,000 days and hours to dry. So this is usually how I end up wearing my hair the next day, simply because, you know, once I'm at work and moving around and everything, that gives it enough time to dry, but it just doesn't dry while I'm in my apartment. And yesterday was Sunday, so I was home all day. I went to like the store or something, but it didn't get enough air to it so that it could dry. But yeah, my hair is super thick anyway, so it just takes forever to dry. I wanted you guys to see how my hair looked and how it came out. I have like so much definition, even in my problem areas. This is usually my problem area back here. This is where it's just so hard to get my hair to hold a curl, hold moisture, anything like that. But I mean, you can definitely see that my curls are super moisturized, and I did have to go back over some pieces this morning. But I mean, yeah, I really want you guys to give that technique a try. Like I know you heard in the first part of the video, I basically just combined what JeanetteJBeauty does and what the GlamTwinz do, and this is the definition that I got with it, and I'm just absolutely loving it. Of course, it's going to get bigger as the days go on. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you had any questions, I'm pretty sure there's something that I left out, something that I forgot to say, so please feel free to leave that below. And yeah, if you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to share the video with a friend, you can feel free to do that as well. And of course, if you think that you want to join me in my beauty corner, you are more than welcome to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, again, thanks so much guys for watching. If you want to see more content from me, definitely let me know and I will post more videos. And until the next one, you guys have a good one.